Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification if you are interested in mompreneur, entrepreneur, any kind of preneur, hacks, lessons, things you need to know for e-commerce, all things solopreneur, startup launching, starting your own business. Follow me because that is basically all my videos are about. Today, I wanted to talk to my inventors out there. So, I'm really excited to be launching my first product on my own patented invention, and I've learned a lot along the way. One of the most important things was get a patent before you talk, you need to be patent pending. Now, you don't have to have your patent perfect, and actually, Laurel Bloomfield with Dreamers, Makers, Doers is an expert on this, and she has helped me with some of my patent needs, and she is really a great resource. I highly recommend her if you're concerned about doing a self-patent. She even has a quick guide that she'll give you for free. But file your patent yourself, okay? I can't even believe these people who go on like Shark Tank and stuff and they don't have a patent. It's like, you just gave your idea to everybody. Don't be that guy. Just do a patent. It's not very expensive. It's a couple $100. You can do it yourself. Now, if you do want to hire a patent lawyer and you got a bunch of money, you'll usually get a good patent between $3,000 to $10,000, depending what kind of patent you're filing for. So, if you're on a startup budget and you're, pinching your coin purse, just do it yourself. As long as you're patent pending, that is just a placeholder. That means no one else can, take that idea, even if you're just patent pending. Even if it's not approved yet and you have to make changes and it's here or there, you're protected as long as you're patent pending. Second, when you do approach people to talk about your business, to be partners, to be investors, have an NDA. And if they have the capability to take the idea and bring it to fruition, also have a non-compete. An NDA is really important. It's a non-disclosure agreement for those of you that don't know. It basically says, look, they can't go tell other people about your product or your idea. Even if it's patent pending, it's better to practice this, rather be safe than sorry. Most good business people and real business people will not be offended that you've asked for an NDA. You can politely or simply say, we're in the practice of obtaining an NDA before we discuss matters further. I'll send it over, blah, 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 send it back to me kind of thing. And you guys should both have copies, both signed and dated by the other party. Or if it's a company and they work for a company, you want the company to sign it. So it's like company-wide instead of just a single person, if it's an individual. And then a non-compete is, the difference is, the NDAs, you don't want people going and talking about your idea, telling people about it before you launch. If you want to do like a really kind of big launch and drop, and although it is good to make buzz, you don't want people to do it before you get, you don't want people like China, like if you have a great idea and China gets a wind of it, China will start making it, and they don't care if you have a patent in the USA. And international patents are a whole nother ballgame. So that's why I even say get your manufacturing done in the USA first before you even try to go to China. So there's some copycatters. Anyway, so yes, non-compete is different in the way that it says you won't try to compete with my product later. So maybe they're like, oh, well, her patent only covers this design, so we'll just make a slightly different design and patent that design and say it's a different product. Not with the non-compete. It's like, no, you're not going to do anything basically that would come and really, interfere on my market, try to get a foothold on my market with something similar or a knockoff or whatever. So NDA, non-compete, patent, and then other important documents you want to get. You want a trademark. If you want to be really strong brand, get some trademarks, okay? Those you can file, again, online yourself. If you need like your slogan or anything copyrighted, that is an easy online filing. File it online, and it's not very expensive. I've copyrighted a lot of my music, like lyrics and stuff, and it's not hard. It wasn't very expensive either. So make sure you do that because you also want to protect your brand, again, from knockoffs or copycats or gimmicks. Be very careful about that stuff. And lastly, what can I say? So we've got number 1 is your patent or patent pending status. Number 2 is an NDA for anyone you're going to talk to about your launch, your company, your product, your idea, whatever. So they don't go talking to other people about it. And 3 is a non-compete if you're talking to people who might have the interest to compete in the market against you. Number 4 is going to be your trademarks. It's going to be your copyrights. And I think that was it. Oh, and number 5, well, no, you don't need a reseller's permit if you're selling your own products, but you definitely want to have any legal tax for tax purposes, your LLC, etc. You want to have all that set up, or you can decide if you want to individually own these assets and not put them in the ownership of the company. You can do that too. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that really short, quick video on important documents that you should have if you have a great idea, invention, or some kind of business launch you are planning and you're approaching investors or potential partnerships and networking and talking to people. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can check out my new videos when they come out.